Here we have RTX 3090, which has short on the main board. Probably one of the Mosfets. Let's hope that the GPU survived. We determined that the short coming from this coil. This coil is the one that is shorted. This one is not shorted. So the short is fairly low, so maybe we'll get lucky and the GPU will not die. And if we will go to this, we know that this is going, we determined that this is going to this line by checking the coils to the plus that's coming here. And it is going here, 0.5 ohm. So the short should be on this line. We're going to solder a wire and we're going to inject voltage carefully, and hopefully we'll be able to see the short. So let's solder a wire. And let's try this one, and we will need a wire. Solder wire. Put this here. And let's see what's going on. It is here. A little bit more distance. A distance, a little bit upper. Let's go up a bit. Set up the can. Let's solder wire. Solder wire again. Put this here. Let's get it done. I'm going to solder to the side of the short. To the side of the short. Doesn't want to hold yet. Yeah, let it hold. Okay, so this is in. Now we'll solder the wire. And we're going to try to inject voltage. So let's see if we can solder this wire properly. Not yet. A little bit of this flux will help. We need it to be soldered a little bit. Soldered. Now we're going to take up the thermal camera and we're going to try to find which Mosfet is the one that is shorted. The problem with these things is because the board is thick, it absorbs too much heat, so it's kind of difficult to find the short. We're going to take it and we're going to inject maybe 1 volt. I think 1 volt should be enough for me. And we will limit the current to 1.5 amp as a beginning. I don't think it will help. 1.9 is okay. Probably we're going to need more. And we're going to connect the red here. The red to the plus, and this one here to the minus. And we're going to take the thermal camera. Without it, we are in a problem. It will be very difficult to detect the short without thermal camera. Believe me, I tried. But in some cases, it's impossible. Make life much easier. So if you're a technician, you're looking for shorts, you're fixing motherboards, you need the cameraman. Okay, so this is one. Now let me connect the plus. Battery is low, holy cow. Now let me connect the plus. Where's the plus? The plus is here. The plus is here. Okay, and this is the minus. And it's taking 1 amp. Let's see if anything on this line. No. As usual, nothing. If we will not raise the current, we will not be able to do anything. 3 volt. I have to put it on 2 volt. Yeah. Let's see now if we'll see anything. Yeah. Something here. Is it a Mosfet? Is it the first Mosfet? Yeah, I can see here something. No, it's gone now. Yeah. Okay, so let me try to find what it is. I think it's the first Mosfet. You see something is blinking here. Yeah. No, this is not the right one now, unfortunately. Okay, a little bit more voltage. Limit the current to higher. We have no choice. Okay, so now let's see if anything. GPU. Oh, the GPU is not getting hot, which means it's not the GPU. Can it be on this side? I would be surprised. Oh, really? Well, I checked, it's the other side. So far, nothing. Nothing. But this side seems to be a little bit hotter, but something here. This is probably the cabs here. It's almost impossible to check in these. I'll have to raise the current more. I have no choice, otherwise I will not be able to. Nothing, yeah? But this line is hotter, why? Okay, pause the video for now. Move this Mosfet, and as you can see, the short is gone. You can see on the multimeter, no more short on either line. So we're good, we're going to replace the Mosfet, and we're going to ship it to the happy customer. Thank you for watching. Time to connect the GPU and see if replacing the Mosfet will solve our problem. Let's look for HDMI. HDMI is connected. Yes. Now what's left for us to do is to start and see if we have picture. Okay. Please picture, please picture. Please picture. Yes! Yes, we did it! The GPU is working. The GPU is working. Thank you for watching.